everybody, so today we're going to be dealing with Circle Geometry chapter 31, exercise 31a, question number 5. So this question states that there is a rectangle which is inscribed in a circle and it has lengths of 11 centimeter and 6 centimeter. We have to find the radius of the circle. So if this is the center, we have to find this length or this length or this length or this length. It's basically the same length. So first thing, for these type of question, we label it. So if we have to find the radius, we label the diameter and we label the center of the circle to get the radius. First thing, we're gonna label the rectangle and we're gonna write A, B, C, D, and then we're gonna label the diameter of the circle, and then we're gonna label the center of the circle. Next, we are gonna look at this triangle or this, whichever you want to look at, but this triangle, we're gonna look at A, B, D triangle. In this triangle, we have to find DB to calculate DO. First thing, we need to know, we have to prove that this is the diameter. To prove that this is the diameter, we have to use the theorem converse of angle in a semicircle theorem. So what this says is that if there is a circle and this is a line segment AB, and this is a point C, and it extends an angle of 90 degree on this point, then this line segment is the diameter. So first we have to prove that angle BAD, this angle, is 90 degree. To prove that, we know that this is a rectangle and every angle of this is 90 degree, so we can just prove that in triangle ABD, angle BAD is equal to 90 degree because angles in a rectangle are right angles. Once we know that, we can prove that DB is the diameter of the circle that is this circle, because BAD is a right angle. And this is proved by the theorem converse of the angle in a semicircle theorem. Once we know that, we can calculate dB, and we can say that since it is the diameter, then this radius would be half of dB, and then we'll get the radius. So to calculate dB, we will look at this triangle again. By Pythagoras theorem, because this is 90 degree, we can find dB. Because this is 11, this is 6, then dB must be dB square is equal to AB square plus AD square by Pythagoras theorem. We're going to insert the values of AB and AD to get 11 square plus 6 square is equal to dB square. We're going to solve this and we're going to get 121 plus 36, that is equal to 157, is equal to dB square. So dB is equal to root of 157. That would be around that would be, we don't have to calculate root 156 by itself because we have to divide it by 2. So if you solve root 157 before, then you won't get the exact value. So you just insert root 157 as the diameter instead of solving root 157 first. So we're going to say radius is equal to diameter upon 2. We know that. We're going to insert the value of diameter. That is root 157 divided by 2, and we're going to get the answer as 6.26 centimeters, and that is our answer. Answer is equal to 6.26 centimeters. And that's it. Thank you so much for looking at this answer. Bye.